I can no more pretend. You don't scatter my defense. Little things for the end. Swear you go like me. Can I be your girl? That friend when I'm really doing all the things you like. My temperature is rising. Cause you my medicine, boy.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I've already started my makeup. I was applying my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and right now I did my brows off camera, as you can see, and I'm just blending the concealer around the brows. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation so much. It's been one of my #1 go-to foundation drugstore products, which is also a good product. It doesn't break me out, so that is why I like this foundation. So I'm just blending the foundation into my skin, making sure it's well blended. So right now I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro HD conceal, and I'm using the color Warm Honey, and this is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I like it this way because whenever I take pictures it pops, and you know, you can tell like where my areas has been highlighted. And just make sure you blend your concealers, blend everything, like blend your foundation and your concealers, guys, because you don't want any flashback when you take pictures. You make sure you blend it so that you get a smooth finish. Moving on, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the same shade as my skin tone, so I'm using it as a contour, and this is also going to blend the harsh lines around the concealer. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow when I went. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over. Next, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me powder but in a lighter shade, and this is in the shade 360. I'm just using this to set my concealer before I use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. When I do this really do help with crease. It doesn't make my powder crease, so yeah. Sorry guys, if you see me talking and giggling, that is because I was on the phone with my friends. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know before you ask what she was doing, because yeah, I was so happy giggling here and there. So yeah. So now I'm setting my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I've been using this powder for quite some time. I really do love this powder as well. I usually don't change my makeup, products. I'm so stuck to one way makeup product, so yeah. And now I'm doing my eyeshadow, and guys, this is the simplest eyeshadow I have ever done. So I'm using the orange shade from my Morphe palette to define my crease, and I'm going in with my eyeliner. I only use one eyeshadow and that was it, nothing else. And I'm just doing my eyeliner now, and the eyeliner that I'm using is Wet and Wild eyeliner. So now I'm going in with my mascara. Anyways, I'm not really into mascaras that much, so if I find a mascara that works for me, I just stick to it. So yeah, right now I just applied my lashes, and the lashes that I used today is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the info section, so if you're interested you can just check them out. So now I'm using a darker shade from my Morphe palette to define my under eye, and I'm also gonna go in using my mascara to define my lashes. And then moving on, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild lip pencil for my lips. I'm going in with my Estate Cosmetic lipstick, and this is in the color Nude. I'm using that on my lower lips and my upper lips, and then I'm going to use my NYX lipstick on top. This is like a lip gloss, so it's going to give me a glossy lip because I'm going for a glossy nude lips today. A very simple look. Guys, don't judge me, but I'm using a red eyeshadow for my Juvia's Place palette, and I use that as my blush. It works magic. I really do love it. As you can see, the blush is popping, everything is popping. This is the finished look. I really do love it. So guys, yes, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to thumbs up to this video, and also share this video with your friends and family if you care. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.